Good morning, everyone. A very good
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 morning.
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning. So, as we were discussing in the last class about the make it, yes, Desai, again I'm repeating, be there till the last. Okay? 119. So, open page number
Yes,
119. It's
ma'am. Be
about,
all day.
okay. Thank you. I will take the attendance at the last.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we are on this page. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Here are some pictures drawn on the centimeter grid. So as I told you to make the pictures on the 2 centimeter grid and bring it and show it to me in the next class. Is there any child who has drawn that pictures and
Ma'am,
any
I
Ma'am,
idea?
draw. Ma'am, I
Yes.
draw.
Yes, Lakshya, I'm going to pin you. Please show me.
ma'am,
Wait,
I
wait,
don't know
I
the
Ekansh.
don't draw properly, ma'am, but I draw.
Yeah, show me.
ma'am, I don't know the page number because
Well
from the
tried, well tried. 119. Yes, well tried. Yes. Yes, Ekansh,
Kevna.
I'm going to pin you. Please show me. Kevna, wait a minute. I'll pin you. Okay. Very good, Kevna. Kevna, what have you noticed that when you were drawing these pictures, okay, from a small leaf,
Ma'am,
you are coming
when
on
I
a
was
big leaf. Yeah.
yes, ma'am, I noticed that every block is 1 centimeter, so I have to state the line and where the small leaf, so
Mhm.
it turns into a big leaf too.
Okay. Yes, I will also explain what I have noticed. Put it down. Yes, Ekansh, it's coming
Ma'am,
blur. It's
I
not
also
clear.
draw.
Yes, yes, Ekansh. Now it's coming properly.
Ma'am, I
So,
have also
yes.
drawn the
Yes,
leaf.
I'm pinning you. Yeah, leaf is done. Okay, very good there. So now listen here, students. So when you draw these pictures from a 1 centimeter or a half a centimeter grid to the bigger grids, the number of squares will be same.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I have also made a leaf.
very good. So then what you have noticed that the number of the square grids are same, just only the size will be bigger. Yes or no? Because if you see in this leaf, I'm going to present it. If you see the leaf which is drawn here on the 1 centimeter grid, it covers the four boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that what will be the area of this leaf? If you have learned the area in the grade 4, you have learned the length multiplied by breadth is the finding the area. Yeah, and by counting the
Yes,
number
ma'am.
of the squares also. So, but here the square grid is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter from all the sides, length into breadth, 1 into 1 is 1 centimeter. So the area of this leaf is 4 centimeter. But when we draw the same leaf on the 2 centimeter grid, so what will be the area of the one square in the 2 centimeter grid? What will be the area? Who will tell me? It's each side is 2 centimeter. So length into breadth. Please do, my dear students, give me answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I don't
8
know, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Four
centimeter.
4
centimeter.
centimeter,
4 centimeter.
ma'am. One
Four
box, 4
centimeter
centimeter.
one. So
Area.
Ma'am,
what
4
will be the area
centimeter.
of this? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes. Mute yourself, Lakshya bacha. Yeah. So the area is 4 centimeter for the one square. And the leaf is using four squares total. So what will be the total area of a leaf? What who is saying the answer? Can anyone give the answer?
Yes, ma'am, 8 centimeter.
Ma'am, Ayush can give the answer.
Eight
Ma'am,
is wrong. There, yes.
ma'am, can you repeat? No, ma'am, just a minute. I'm calculating.
Okay, I will repeat the question till that mute
12
yourself, everyone.
centimeter.
One
8
square.
centimeters.
See, listen again. Listen my question again. The area of one square is 4 centimeter. You only told me 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 centimeter. and that leaf is using 4 squares. So what will be the area of what?
16 centimeter.
Yes.
Ma'am, 16
Ma'am.
centimeter.
Yes.
Ma'am, 16 centimeter.
Yes, the area is 16 centimeter. Yes, Ayush. Yes, clear your doubt.
Yes,
please.
ma'am, 16 centimeter.
Ma'am, but according to the area and perimeter that chapter, there are 2 half squares being used.
Which one?
2 half squares are being used in the leaf.
But beta, leaf is
There are
occupying सारे squares को occupy तो कर रही है ना?
हाँ, but there are half squares. That was my
If
concern.
there are half squares, तो automatically उसका half ही हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, Ayush?
हाँ, तो 80 हुआ ना.
Yeah. But if you are doing according to the half squares, then it will be 8, and the small squares, the area will be 2 only, because 2 half, 4 half, if you use it will be 2. But if you see according to the full squares, it will be 16. So can you tell me how many times it is getting bigger?
What, ma'am?
How many times the area of a small leaf compared to the bigger leaf, how many times it is getting bigger? The area. Because small leaf ka area was only 4. Small leaf area, I said the 4 centimeters.
These 4 boxes. And
4
2
centimeters.
plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 16.
And the area of the big leaf is 16 centimeters square.
16
So how many times it is getting bigger?
2 times?
2 times.
4 times. The child
4
has said
times.
yes, this
4
is
times.
correct.
4
4
times.
times. So here also the answer given here down, the side of the square was made 2 times bigger. So you will say no, it is 4 times bigger. That is area also bigger. No, side is 2 times bigger, but the area is also 2 times bigger. No, area is 4 times bigger.
Yes, ma'am. Area is 4
Side
times.
is 2 times bigger. It is correct because the grid is 1 centimeter and then you are doing the 2 centimeters. So side is 2 times bigger. But if we see the area is not 2 times bigger. Area is
4 times bigger.
4 times bigger. Turn the page now. Come on the page number 120. Come on the page
Now we have
number.
to make the map.
Yeah. Now I'm going to present my screen to you all and then you see. See, here is also one map is given. The map number 3 ka kuch part is given here. So can you tell me which part of this is?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Go
it's
to
part
map
of the
number 3.
parade route.
Yeah, part of the parade route.
Ma'am,
But which
it's
route?
part where the Ma'am, it's part where the India Gate is located.
India Gate is located. It can you see in the map number 3? It's a central hexagon part.
Yes, ma'am.
Central hexagon के पास में India Gate है.
ma'am, it is the
Yes, ma'am. There's a
Road.
star
Ma'am, it's the
on
Janpath
the
Road.
side of the
It
India
is the
Gate.
Janpath Road.
Road.
Yes, it is the Janpath Road, Rafi Marg, Vijay Chowk, from Rashtrapati Bhavan to the India Gate. Yes, it is that
Yeah.
part. Okay. Now
Yeah.
they are saying, can you see which part of the route map it is? Then we have already seen, yes, this is the from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate route. This is the part of a central hexagon. Now try to make it bigger in this 2 centimeter grid. Remember that the shape of the map should not change. So you can make like this. Coming from here, then there is one center circle, then this side, then again this line, again center. This way you can complete this grid after the class. Got it, everyone? Exactly same. Route change नहीं होना चाहिए. Route को आपको the way you have done no same car आपने बनाई but 2 centimeter grid में बनाई. अब same route बनाना है but bigger size पे बनाना है. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Can I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If the parade route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? Children, now listen here. If the parade route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and the Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter. पहले जो था हमने इसका पढ़ा था कि जो distance था वो 4 centimeter हमने पढ़ा था कि the distance from Vijay Chowk to India Gate is 4 centimeter. So we said that it's a 2 kilometer because if we see the map number 3 grid scaling, go to the map number 3, page number 115. There is a scaling given that 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. So we were saying that the distance from Vijay Chowk to India Gate was 4 centimeter on the map. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if the 4 centimeter on the map, how much on the ground? According to the scale which is given on 115. No child is answering.
Ma'am, it is given 2 centimeters equals to 1 kilometer.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling
It's
you.
3 kilometers.
Ma'am, it will be
3 kilometer. 3 kilometer.
See, if it is 2 centimeter, then it is 1 kilometer. But if it is 4 centimeter, then it will be
2 kilometer. 2
2
kilometer.
kilometer. Double हो जाएगा ना?
Yes.
Because here centimeter also getting double. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
will be how many kilometers? 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
Okay. Then if it is 4 centimeter, then it is 2 kilometer. Right? पर मैप पे आप उसको छोटा कर सकते हो, उसी रोड को आप 2 सेंटीमीटर का बना सकते हैं मैप पे, पर एक्चुअल में आप उसको नहीं कर सकते छोटा. सो दे आर सेइंग अगर आपने मैप पे 2 सेंटीमीटर कर दिया उसी 4 सेंटीमीटर को, विल देयर एनी इफेक्ट ऑन द रियल सिचुएशन?
Yes, ma'am. It will be 1 centimeter on map.
नो बेटा,
No,
हाउ कैन
ma'am.
बी? Real will be the same, na?
That means there, who is going to break the road and extend it?
Yes. We cannot
Ma'am,
break the
kilometer
road
will be the same only. There
No,
will be no
ma'am.
change in kilometer.
in the map, in the paper. There you can make the road smaller, but will you able to make the small on the real life?
No, ma'am.
No. So if you make the road smaller in the map, instead of 4 centimeter, if you make it 2 centimeter, will there any changes in the real life?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, it will be the same. Then also the 2 centimeter also will become the 2 kilometer, because in the real life the situation, the distance will be same. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So they are saying Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter. What would be its scaling? So what will be its scaling? 1 centimeter on map or 1 kilometer on ground? Or half a centimeter of map or 1 kilometer on ground? Or 2 centimeter on map or 1 kilometer on ground? क्या scaling रहेगी? Tell me. Who will tell
2,
me?
ma'am, me, Khevna.
Yeah, Khevna, tell me.
2 centimeter on map, 1 kilometer on ground.
No.
Ma'am, ma'am, half centimeter on map and 1 kilometer on ground.
तो एक ही option बचा.
1 centimeter on map.
Yes. 1 centimeter on map equals to 1 kilometer. Because 2 centimeter on map equals to 2 kilometer on ground. Because वो हमने fix कर दिया था. Yes or no?
Yes.
So according to the options, 1 centimeter on map will be 1 kilometer on the ground.
No.
Why not no, Dharya?
What, ma'am?
Dharya, I said that you can make the road shorter in the map, but we cannot make the road shorter in the real life.
Yeah.
Got it? So
Yes.
if you made that Vijay Chowk road 2 centimeter in the map, so 2 centimeter equals to 2 kilometer.
Yeah.
1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer.
Yes.
So which option is correct? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer.
1 centimeter on map and 1 kilometer on ground.
This correct situation? Yes. So take the first answer. 1 centimeter on the map equals to 1 kilometer on the ground. Now go to the next. Dancers from different states. Just a minute. Let me take the attendance. Again, I'm telling, I can see here on my screen, we are 32. I want everyone should be there in my class till the last. No one leave my class. Just a minute. Okay. Dancers from different states. Children, you all know there are how many states and how many union territories. I have asked in my other class also, in the last class.
Ma'am, 28
28 states and
28
28 states
yes,
and 9
ma'am.
unit territories.
28 states and
9 union territories.
9 union
9
territories.
union territories. No,
Okay.
ma'am, 8.
It's 8 union territories. 28 states,
Yes, ma'am.
8 union territories. Why 8 union territories?
Because
Daman
of
and Diu.
Kashmir. Why,
Because
ma'am?
Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli become the combined union territory, and the Jammu and Kashmir is divided into Ladakh and the Jammu and Kashmir, 2 union territories. Earlier it was only the Jammu and Kashmir. Now it becomes the 2 union territories. So total there are 8 union territories and 28 states. So if you know, each state has its own specialty in the dancing. Like what is famous in Gujarat?
Dandiya.
Garba.
Garba.
What is famous in Maharashtra? You studied in the SST, no? In the EVS, there are the different states and the different dances specialty. Assam is having their special dance.
Bihu.
Yes.
Bihu, yes. So the special states have the states have their specialty in their dancings, right? Like Kathak, Bharatnatyam. This is also the special dance of the states.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So these are here are the children. They are going for the see the different dances. Dancers from Karnataka were the best. All these people have to travel so much to come to Delhi. They are saying, I like the Tripura dance. From Tripura and Sikkim, they have to travel far, but Haryana and Uttarakhand are closer to Delhi. So they are discussing about that. See, I like this dance, I like this dance, and they are discussing about the distance in the map. So now turn to the page 121, 121. Look at the map of India below and find the states these children are talking about and give the answers. So these children are talking about that which state is far, which is near, because they are going to the center place is Delhi. They are going to perform in the Delhi, but they are coming from the different states, right? Some are coming from
Yes,
Sikkim,
ma'am.
Tripura, some are coming from Karnataka, okay, and some are going from different. Some are going from Haryana. So they are discussing. The students are discussing. See, उसको कितना लंबे रूट पे आना पड़ता है डांसिंग के लिए, परफॉर्मेंस के लिए, और जो दिल्ली के पास में है, दिल्ली के पास में है. त्रिशा, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. जो दिल्ली के पास में है, they are covering less distance. So they are discussing about the routes. Okay. Now question number 1. The Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. Which state does it cross to reach the Delhi? Delhi jana hai usko. Yes, Trisha. Which states they will cross?
Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan,
Hmm.
Haryana. This much.
And then they reach to the Delhi. So these many states they have
We
to
can go
cross.
like this also.
But we can utilize. There is one more way to reach.
There are many ways. Let first listen
Maharashtra,
to
Madhya
Darius.
Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and to Delhi.
Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, then you can go to Rajasthan, or you can go from Uttar Pradesh also and then Delhi. Then there are many routes to reach. Okay. Yes, Vedi, you want to speak something?
Karnataka,
Yes, please speak.
Maharashtra.
Tuisha, mute yourself. Your mic is on in the another device. Yes. Yes, Vedi, speak. Very speak.
Ma'am,
Okay, I will not wait. Yes, please speak fast.
ma'am, I have Wi-Fi.
You log out from one device, you are there from two devices, so that's why your voice is echoing. Okay, Anushka, Ayush, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you remove me?
Which ID I remove? Vedi, I don't know, no, which ID I have to remove. So you can I remove any one? Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, Anushka. Anushka, you tell me the route through how which you go from Karnataka to the Delhi.
Yes, ma'am. Karnataka by Telangana, Chandigarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh.
Telangana, where is Telangana?
Telangana, ma'am. Telangana.
Where is Telangana? Can you show me?
Yes, ma'am. Can you see
Hmm.
Telangana? We will cross then Karnataka. We will cross Telangana.
Hmm.
Then this Chandigarh. Then Madhya Pradesh. Then Uttar
Hmm.
Pradesh. Then
Hmm.
we'll reach.
Ma'am, it is Chhattisgarh.
So, children, listen. Many of you told we can go from the different route, but in practical life, which route we can select? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, Surat to Delhi.
No, no. In practical, to go from the same Karnataka से दिल्ली ही जाना है अगर आपको. And the
Ma'am,
students are giving me the different routes. But in practical life, yeah.
Ma'am, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana.
Why?
Ma'am, because it's easy one.
See, simple way I can tell you that जहाँ पर आपको stop कम आए, कम states cross करने हो और जल्दी से आप reach हो जाओ, you will select that route only, or you will go to the log, कान यहाँ से पकड़ूं और कान यहाँ से पकड़ूं, which route you will follow? बोलो, tell me. If I catch my ear, if I catch my ear from here, or will I catch my ear from here? Which route is easy for me?
This one. Easy one.
Hard one. And this is the hard one which you are crossing. So that is the
Easiest one would be
Easy
Yes.
one like that. Not like that. It is harder than.
Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana.
Yes. The easy one is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi or the Uttar Pradesh.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Look, you are saying that we have to not grow from many states. So if we go Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Delhi, so only 3 states. But in the Karnataka, Maharashtra. Yes.
More states are coming.
Yes.
So yes, you have to follow. You have to follow the route which is crossing through the less states. Yes. Now you understood the concept.
From
When you
Maharashtra
are
to Pradesh and then to Uttar Pradesh. So Delhi, that is easy way, not
yes,
from
if you are
Maharashtra,
coming
Uttar
same.
Pradesh, Rajasthan, and
Yes,
Haryana.
yes. Now listen, I got that you children understood. Now my concept is to explain you if you are coming from city light. Okay, if you are coming from city light, there also you will see कि हम जल्दी से कहाँ से पहुँचेंगे, किस road से पहुँचेंगे. Nowadays there are new bridges also made. So from city light, if you are coming to Adajan, there is a one shortcut bridge that you can reach within 10 to 15 minutes. Yes or no? And when you take a long from Atwa gate, Atwa lines, and then you reach to the Adajan, it will take time.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the reason we are learning about the mapping so that you can understand about the routes. Got it? What is why we are learning? I can see the students are start leaving. I can see Migdad left the class. I can see we were there 30 to 31 there in the initial. There are now 27. Children, please note, I will mark your last attendance only. Still there are 3 minutes. I have not said bye to you all. I have not ended the class. Please be there till the last. Now go to the page number 122. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. Now if I am going to stop my presentation. Yes. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. Look to the map. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of the Delhi. So the team from there travels towards south to reach Delhi. Which stage does it cross? अगर वो साउथ की तरफ आ रहे हैं दिल्ली से, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर उनकी नॉर्थ में है, दिल्ली बीच में है, उनको साउथ की तरफ आना है. So always remember on the map, your up side is the north, down side will be your south, right side will be your east, and west side will be your left side will be your west. Always remember map में जब आप map देखोगे, floor map,
Yes.
this type map, the north will be your up always, down will be your south, right will be your east, and your left will be your west. And I am going to tell you one important fact also here, right? See, can you see the West Bengal? The name is West Bengal, but it is not in the west. Don't search it in the west. It will be in the east.
Yes, because we see on our side it is
Yes.
west part, but
So
it is
don't
not
get confused when you see the name West Bengal and you say that it is in the west.
it is
No,
east.
it is
only,
in
but,
the east, but the name is
but
West
when we go
Bengal.
there, it is in west.
No, it is in east only.
So
Yeah,
ma'am,
we
it should be
see.
East Bengal, not West Bengal.
No, the name is, this is the fact about this state, that it is, the name is West Bengal, but it is in the east.
Yes, it is a different. And in
Got
our
it, everyone?
side, ma'am, in our side we see west.
But
But
if
in this
it's in
side,
the west, then why do we call it west?
This is
West
the fact
Bengal?
about the this is the, wait a minute, let me write the names of the students, those who are leaving.
now it is 22.
Yes, I know, and I'm not going to allow them to come in my next class. I'm going to mark the attendance of these students only. Gunav, turn on your camera. Mohit, turn on your camera, please. Sit with your camera on. So,
You can see me.
yeah, this is the fact I told you about the West Bengal. Dhyan Patel has also left the class. Dhyan Dalal. So this is the thing I'm going to explain you, that West Bengal is in the east direction of the map. In real situation also it is in the east, but the name is West Bengal. This is the true fact about this state. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So now Nonu lives in Gujarat. Nonu's friend Javed lives in West Bengal. So from Gujarat, if he is going to West Bengal, towards which direction he will go?
I want to
East direction. So take the towards east. Yes, Nishika?
West Bengal and East Bengal both were like that, and before the independence, now when the independence came, West Bengal is in the east and East Bengal is now Bangladesh.
Okay, I'm not very much clear about this, but I know this doubt, that I know about this, that this is the
Yes. Yes.
West Bengal is in the east. Is there any state which is to the north of Jammu Kashmir? Children, when you see your state map printed, so can you tell me any state in Jammu and Kashmir?
Ladakh.
The Ladakh is Jammu Kashmir.
Yes,
Ladakh.
because Jammu and Kashmir is divided into 2 union territories. So one more state is added now, that is Ladakh, which is to the north of Jammu Kashmir. So please write Ladakh. Is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? Gujarat के west में कोई और state है? If you see the map, no.
Madhya Pradesh.
No. Gujarat के west, because Gujarat is the westernmost state.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, is there any this is done. Now that from 6 question we will do in the next class. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, students.